On today's show, we'll be discussing a potential Bitcoin price bounce off $9,000, which could end the BTC price correction. In today's show, we'll also be discussing Miss Litecoin down 35% since its recent infamous halving, and we'll be talking about if Bitcoin will follow a similar path. And of course, we'll be taking a look at the Bitcoin price action as we're slowly but surely moving into a bullish zone. What are the key resistance and support levels to look out for? Learn all that and more on today's episode. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day, so be sure to click the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest crypto news. All right, taking a look at the 4-hour Bitcoin chart, you can see we're currently trading just under $9,600. The cool thing about this are the exponential moving averages. You can see this blue line right here serving as a very strong support, which is where we're currently at. And then above that, we have the red exponential currently at about the 98.50 mark. Then we have the green exponential currently at about the $10,000 to $10,100 mark. And then we have the purple one above currently at about the $10,300 level. So the good news for Bitcoin right now is the $9,500 support level, which it's currently maintaining. $10,000 is still serving as a major resistance. We need to see Bitcoin climb to this level to continue to move upward and onward. But I do personally feel very strong of this time now that it is officially September 1st and Backed Launch is accepting new clients, I believe on the 6th, which is in just a few more days, and the official launch is actually September 23rd. So things are looking very bullish. And then as we move into October with the new ETF proposals, now let's talk about a potential price bounce off that $9,000 mark, ending this BTC price correction. While selling pressure has undoubtedly dissipated, the Bitcoin price is still struggling. As of the time of shooting this, Bitcoin is trading at roughly $9,600. Bitcoin is 6.5% lower today than it was last week. And that's why there is a strong possibility that the Bitcoin price may bounce. While Bitcoin's price action seems sporadic, the asset follows distinct trends and patterns. One of these patterns is Bitcoin falling to retest the 21-week exponential moving average in bull markets to confirm the uptrend. As analyst Crypto Michael, a full-time trader at the Amsterdam Stock Exchange, points out, this key moving average acted as support throughout the last bull market after Bitcoin tested it January 2016. Crypto Michael tweeted, BTC Bitcoin, the two levels to watch, 9,000 around for the 21 EMA bounce, which provided support all bull market and first tested in January of 2016. If not, then the 100 weekly MA, also a test happened there. If either of these provide support, fun times. As he depicted in his chart, Bitcoin had a tendency to fall 33 to 39% to hit the moving average, then rocket back to fresh all-time highs in the coming weeks. Right now, Bitcoin is around $500 away from the moving average, which is currently 37% lower than BTC local peak of 14,000. History repeating would see BTC fall to flirt with 9,000, then rebound into the end of 2020 and subsequent block reward deduction, which we're all aware of the 2020 Bitcoin halving in May. And this isn't the only evidence indicating that Bitcoin's downtrend may soon end. In a recent tweet, Willy Woo, a partner of Adaptive Capital, argued that Bitcoin is currently not as bearish as some may expect, pointing out that it just rebounded off a 128-day moving average, which sits at 93.50. Willy Woo tweeted, kissing the 128-day MA is a very good sign. It was overheated till this. People familiar with BTC's historic personality know that the 128-day line needs to be touched many times during a bull market to stay grounded. They present good buying opportunities. As you can see in the chart in this post, also in the description below this video, I always include these news resources so you can check them out for yourself. So while the prominent analyst did admit that the crypto has been overheated over the past few weeks, he notes that it's part of BTC's historical personality for it to flirt with the aforementioned moving average many times during a bull market to stay grounded. Also, another analyst, Philby, reports that Bitcoin's 4-hour chart is looking quite bullish enough to make him go long on the cryptocurrency. cryptocurrency. He notes that the 4-hour on-balance volume, OBV, indicator has trended higher despite a drawn-out downtrend in the price of Bitcoin. This bullish divergence is purportedly the first on Bitcoin's 4-hour chart since the 3350 price bottom seen in December. Also, the negative peaks in the 4-hour moving average divergence have become increasingly higher, implying that the bears are losing steam. And we actually covered this tweet on yesterday's show as well. Philby wrote, "I'm long BTC. First OBV bullish divergence on the 4-hour since 3350. Live by the sword, die by the sword." So I don't know about you, but I'm still very bullish on Bitcoin, regardless if we move up from here or if we do that bounce at 9,000, or even if we go all the way down to 8,400 and then spring back, closing those CME future gaps. Either way, I'm still very bullish. To the moon, baby. To the moon. All right, now let's talk about Miss Litecoin. On August 5th, the Litecoin halving went into effect and the reward was cut in half. The price had already enjoyed a good surge, having topped around $145 before the halving actually happened in late June. Since then, the price of Litecoin has dropped 35%, currently trading at about $63 back to the April level on Bitstamp. However, the price is still up 110.5% year to date. But it's not only the price, the network also started to grow weaker as well. Litecoin's hash rate dropped to 317 from the all-time high of 523 recorded on July 14th, seeing a loss of more than 39%. This is not good for Miss Litecoin. Well, what does this mean for Bitcoin? Is there any correlation? Well, interestingly, the Bitcoin price is already up more than 159%, and the hash rate continues to hit new all-time highs the same way Litecoin did. However, this doesn't mean in any way that the Bitcoin halving that's still 259 days away will result in a drop in the Bitcoin price and hash rate. Also keep in mind, if we take a look in history at 2012 and 2016, the two previous Bitcoin halvings, Bitcoin went parabolic both times as much as 400x after the halving. This third halving that will cut down the miners' rewards from 12.5 to 6.25 Bitcoin is expected to take Bitcoin to a new peak. Prominent analyst Plan B, who is popular for his Bitcoin price analysis based on the stock-to-flow model, which we cover often here on the show, says the fact that the Litecoin price didn't jump on the halving doesn't mean that the Bitcoin halving will be irrelevant for the Bitcoin price as well. This logic, he says, is flawed. The Litecoin price doesn't have a significant relationship with stock-to-flow, so halvings are indeed irrelevant. The Bitcoin price relation is strong, he said. However, there is no explanation for why Litecoin doesn't have a relationship with the stock-to-flow model. It could be network effects such as developers, on and off ramps, futures, options, liquidity, or any other number of reasons. And according to this model, Bitcoin's value, however, will go beyond $1 million. And as outlined in this graph from this tweet from Plan B, you can see Bitcoin's path to 1 million using the stock-to-flow model. After each all-time high, the Bitcoin price drops until plenty of miners aren't profitable. As such, miners switch off the hardware, resulting in a drop of the hash rate and difficulty adjusting downwards. This is until miners become profitable again and difficulty starts rising. And a new bull market starts when difficulty bottoms. History has proven this to us time and time again. Earlier this month, Plan B shared how after each Bitcoin all-time high, we saw a downward difficulty adjustment. Once it reset to 100%, we get the start of the next bull run with 100x opportunity, and we just start a new run. And taking a look at this tweet from Plan B, it says after each Bitcoin all-time high, we saw a downward difficulty adjustment in the chart. The lowest monthly difficult level, which is the blue, is reset 100% and seems to be an objective start of the next bull run. Green yellow with 100x opportunity just started a new run to the moon. And as you can see right here in this chart, the Bitcoin bull market starts at a difficulty bottom, as history has shown. All right, and taking a quick look over at Coin360, we can see Bitcoin currently in the green, just 0.1%, trading at 95.86. Ethereum a little bit in the green, up 0.97%, trading at $169. EOS is in the green, trading at $3.25, up 1.63%. Litecoin is in the green, up 2.25%, trading at $64. How many of you saw the price prediction for Ethereum by Max Kaiser? He believes that Ethereum may see the $90 level. And we do have some crypto in the red as well. XRP down 0.87%, trading at 25 cents. BNB coin down 2.31%, trading at $21.32. So we got a solid mix here today in the crypto market. Well, that's it for today's show. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button as well as click on the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest crypto news. And before I dip, don't forget to check out the description right below this video. I've included some incredible resources to help you take your crypto game to the next level. Peace.